Doing this simple video to show you that I am a big fan of this tool over here, the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This is a new one. My last Swiss Army knife lasted me 19 years. 19 years of use and abuse. It was the Spartan version. Now this one is the camper version. I have one more function, that is the wood saw right here. And I will tell you, if you never try having a Swiss Army knife, you should give a try, because these are very sturdy, resistant, and practical tools. You can take it everywhere, and the quality is amazing. No play, and the steel is very high quality. So I got this new version that I hope it lasts me another 19 or 20 years. Let's see. Let's open this thing. This is meant to be kind of an unboxing. This is a very important moment. Okay, let's see very carefully, because I don't want to ruin the package. And I don't want to scratch my army knife too. So I'm doing very carefully around this plastic stuff over here, so it won't damage the plastic. All right here. We are almost there, guys. We're almost there. Yes. Let's see. Right here. Awesome. Perfect. And we are done. Here you go. First time, very shiny. This shine is amazing. With the time, the casing would get dull, and I love this shiny surface of a new Swiss Army knife. So you can see all the functions here, the can opener, and also small screwdriver, cap opener, and big screwdriver. Let's see. The knife is here. The knife. Let's see here. It is the saw here. We got the saw. This is the new. For this, I had no saw on my last Swiss Army knife. This one is the small razor blade. I normally don't use this one. I keep it when I need a very sharp blade, because with time, with use, it would get a little blunt. So I need like a razor shape razor blade that is sharper than the other one. This one here is great for parties. Always there is someone bringing a bottle of wine, and you are there to open it, because every people forgets to bring a cork opener. And there is another one I love here, is the needle. Very nice. And there is a particularity in this model. You have a small hole here at the casing. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. If you have a pin, you can place it there, and with that pin you can open, I don't know, your SIM card from your smartphone, or any other thing you need. You stick there a pin, and that's it. You have here another options like the tooth pick and the small pliers. Of course, you see that. Very, very beautiful. Completely satisfied with my purchase. So the Victorinox Swiss Army knife is made for take you out of any trouble, or most troubles, guys. So if you like going outside, this is a good tool to have in your pocket. It's amazing. It's magic. The Swiss Army knife from Victorinox. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.